last time your family enjoyed fresh mountain air or your kids played outdoor instead of being glued to a screen? And honestly, there is a different kind of pride in saying, I own a home in the hills. But with so many projects available, which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I will show you some of the best HP RERA approved apartments and luxury villas near Kasauli and Shimla. For every budget, whether you are buying for self-use, a holiday home or investment. The best part, every project is inside a gated community, professionally managed, offer excellent potential for capital appreciation and can generate strong B&B and holiday rental income. Make sure you watch till the end because my personal favorite villa project is the last one and it's unlike anything else in Himachal. So let's start with the apartments. Nestling Woods near Kasauli. If your budget is under 75 lakh, this is probably where I would ask you to begin. Nestling Woods offer beautifully designed studio and 1 BHK residencies right on the national highway. So traveling from Chandigarh or Delhi is quick and convenient. The homes are fully furnished, enjoy beautiful valley views and the project comes with a clubhouse and lifestyle amenities. Aurya Valley near Kasauli. Now if you need more space, Aurya Valley should definitely be on your shortlist. It offers spacious 2 and 3 BHK apartments with possession expected in around 8 months, starting at just Rs 1.70 crores. What I really like here is that the clubhouse is already operational. Balair Hillside Residencies near Kasauli. Now suppose you are thinking, I like the property but I don't want to pay everything upfront. That's exactly where Balair stands out. Its payment plan is spread over almost 3 years, making it much easier for buyers. You get fully furnished 1 and 2 BHK apartments with large valley-facing balconies right on the national highway. Inaugural price 75 lakhs. Add to that a lavish clubhouse with a swimming pool, gym, landscape gardens and indoor games, and you have a very well-rounded project. The Forest Chalet, Shimla. If Shimla is where you want to invest, then don't miss this one. The Forest Chalet offers spacious 2 and 3 BHK apartments and stunning 4 BHK sky villas. Imagine waking up surrounded by Deodar forest while still being just a short drive from Mall Road, hospitals and daily conveniences. Price starts from around 1.9 crores for a 2 BHK and 1.49 crores for a 3 BHK, making it a strong option for anyone looking for premium living in Shimla. Oroma Valley, Naldehra. Now this project is on a completely different scale. Oroma Valley is spread across nearly 100 acres and is one of the Himachal's largest luxury developments. It even offers helicopter connectivity from Chandigarh. Yes, helicopter. Chandigarh to Naldehra in just 30 minutes. Along with luxury apartments, penthouses and the award-winning Manor Club and service residencies. This is designed for buyers looking for something truly extraordinary. Choose from 3 and 4 BHK apartments and 5 BHK penthouses, starting at just Rs 2.5 crore. So those were some of my favorite apartment options. Now let's move to what many of you are actually waiting for, luxury villas. Terra Grande Sirmaur by Eldeco. If you prefer independent living, Terra Grande is a fantastic option. Developed by Eldeco, one of India's most trusted developers. This township is spread across 29 acres with only 80 villas. Choose between 3, 4 and 5 BHK villas, each with a private swimming pool, lawn and kitchen garden starting at 8.75 crores. If space is your priority, this project definitely deserves your attention. Tata Mist near Kasauli. Now if you are looking for something that's ready to move into, Tata Mist is a beautiful hilltop community offering apartments and luxury villas. The valley views are stunning, the clubhouse is ready and the peaceful surroundings make it a perfect weekend or retirement home. Villas starting from 7 crores. Auralias near Kasauli. Auralias is for buyers looking for modern luxury. These fully furnished 4+1 BHK villas come with a private pool, lawn, gazebo and lift. starting from rupees 6.5 crores. Located near the Fern Hotel by Marriott and Starbucks, the project also offers professionally managed assured rentals. 1842 Kasoli by Scapes Hospitality. If heritage architecture is your style, you are going to love this. 1842 Kasoli by Scapes Hospitality is spread across 10 acres and has just 39 luxury villas. Located near Lawrence School, Sanawar, and surrounded by a pine forest, it beautifully combines British-era architecture with modern luxury. It's elegant, peaceful, and one of the most unique villa communities in Kasoli. The Kasool Kasoli. Most developers would have built more than 100 villas on 13 acres of land. Instead, the Kasool has just 36 independent villas spread across 75 bhigas, where 90% is open and green. 4 and 5 BHK villas with 3 living rooms, a private heated pool, landscape lawn, kitchen garden, lift, and 4-car parking, having a large plot size of 600 square yards. It's just about 1 hour 20 minutes from Chandigarh Airport and is professionally managed. This project is thoughtfully designed for self-use and can generate best rental ROI through BNB. Want to know how much you can earn from your villa? Contact us to know more. As you have seen, Himachal has something for every kind of buyer, from furnished apartments to premium cottages and ultra-luxury villas. That's where Hill Homes can help. We help you find your dream home in the hills as per your requirement, your budget, preferred location, smoother transactions, and to arrange private site visit all under one roof. As per your choice, leave a comment by saying apartment or villa and our team will get in touch with you with complete details. Thank you for watching this video and do not forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more property updates in Himachal. We will see you in the next video.